order at 5:30. Can you take the roll, please?
Mr. Fischel,
Here.
Mr. Keeney,
Here.
Ms. Brewster,
Here.
Mrs. Grassi,
Here.
Mrs. Krasinski.
Here.
5 present.
Stand for the pledge, please. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay, I move to amend the agenda. We would move to remove 2A Treasurer Pro Tempore. Can I get a second?
I'll second.
Thank you. Can you call the roll?
Mr. Fischel,
Aye.
Ms. Krasinski,
Aye.
Mrs. Grassi,
Aye.
Mr. Keeney,
Aye.
Ms. Brewster.
Aye.
Motion carries 5-0.
You have discussion of district legal services, discussion and consideration of the appointment of legal counsel for the district. I think it's important that in this circumstance, we have outside legal counsel, and the person that's here today, Matt Markling, is sitting in the back, and the company is McGowan Markling, and so is there any further discussion on that? Okay, so make a resolution.
Wait, I'm just writing it. What is the name of the firm?
McGowan and Markling, I can hand these papers out.
Again, I don't know this individual, I don't know this firm, and I'm not quite
One more.
familiar with why we need to hire additional attorney and additional counsel, so
One more.
what is their area of expertise? Since
So,
we've not been given this prior to,
yeah, so I just think it's important under this circumstance, which we can't really talk about in open session, to hire outside counsel to handle it. So
that's not what I asked. I asked what is their area of expertise?
I think it's school board activity.
Is that your expertise?
Yeah, we represent school boards throughout the state of Ohio.
Is this a limited engagement? Can we get some more information, please?
It would be limited to,
6.1.
yeah, there you go. So
Is there any reason why this could not?
the agreement shall be ongoing unless either the client or firm terminates the representation. So it's limited to either party discontinuing the engagement.
This is provided in advance. Do we have a Can I ask what is covered in item 3, please? Where it says, in addition, the board shall request that its insurance company and risk management pool appoint McGowan and Markling to all covered litigation matters, like every single one? I mean, I'm asking, what does that mean? That's pretty all-inclusive?
I think it's pretty standard.
No, like I'm asking, is that all inclusive? Like everything that this district has needs legal counsel for, or any covered litigation, any litigation?
I think it involves when the firm would be involved. It's specific to this firm.
So specific to this whatever it is that you plan to discuss in executive session, or is it everything?
Everything specific to this firm.
Okay, that's not what I'm asking,
But-
please?
Yeah, go ahead.
So I was asked to come and meet with you in executive session, but I can't meet with you in executive session until you actually retain my services. So all this is a standard retention letter, and you may decide after executive session that my services aren't needed. And so it's at will, and it is nothing more, nothing less.
Okay, but that's not what this says. This says that you will represent us in all covered litigation matters. Like, this is pretty all-encompassing, so I guess I'm just asking that because we're being asked to prove that, like, legal services in the next item, before we go to executive session.
So to make it clearer, my understanding is I'm not here to replace general counsel or do anything different from what you're doing. It is for the limited purpose of discussing what it is that you're going to be discussing in executive session.
Can we amend this agreement to say that it is for a
You can-
limited purpose?
Certainly, you can cross that section out, and it's a standard, this is a standard agreement.
No, I mean, I understand that, and I'm just asking because I don't like passing things and then saying, oh, we'll fix it later.
It matters not to me. It literally is a standard agreement, so
I believe it matters to me because, again, I want to make sure that it's not all encompassing. Am I saying that appropriately?
Well, I don't think it's all encompassing, but if there's something you would like to strike, what is it?
To all covered litigation matters. Again, to limited purpose, I don't know what we're asking him to do, so I can't be certain. So perhaps we should be moving the agenda item number B to after executive session?
So if there's something in here you want to strike, we can strike it now.
Yes, can we strike the word all? And again,
Sure.
replace it with some limited purpose type language. I don't know what the limited purpose is, so
So
I can't
if you would like-
elaborate.
If you would like to strike all, would you want to make a motion to that effect?
Sure, I would like to make a motion to strike the word all in item 3 of this legal services agreement. A second?
Second.
Okay. Any further discussion on that? Can you take roll?
Yes, sir. Can you just give me 1 sec to catch up? Ms. Brewster?
A nay.
Ms. Grassi?
Aye.
Mr. Fischel?
Aye.
Mr. Keeney?
Aye.
And Mrs. Krasinski?
Aye.
Motion carries 4-1.
Okay. Any further discussion? Okay, so I make a resolution retaining the legal counsel. Riverside Local School District Board of Education hereby approves the attorney engagement and fee agreement with the law firm of McGowan and Markling Company, LPA, a copy of which is attached hereto, and I've passed that out, and incorporated herein. The board further directs the board president, treasurer, superintendent to execute the same together with the accompanying treasurer's certifications. Can I get a second?
Second.
Can you call the roll?
Yes, sir. We are on
B,
Is this
legal
B?
services.
legal services, item B.
Okay, so can I ask another question?
Sure.
So in item 5 of this agreement, which you have in front of you, are we okay with the fact that nobody's going to look at these bills, with the exception of you?
That's not true.
Like, is that
It's
what
not
I'm
true.
reading?
No, what happens is just like I'm assuming like your current situation, I submit my bills to the treasurer. The treasurer then has to get approval to sign off that the services were actually rendered, and So they get sent to him just because he's the treasurer. But he's not approving that invoice, somebody else has to approve it, which I'm guessing is what you currently do.
And the board has to approve to pay it.
Well, the board won't have to approve to pay it, but I get the bill and then I just need to substantiate
Right.
what's on the invoice and pay the invoice. So it won't come as a board agenda unless there was some number that exceeded board policy, which that would be highly unlikely.
Okay, so the board approval is in the hiring.
That's correct.
Did we fill in, I'm sorry if I missed it, the motion to approve purchase order to blank in the amount of blank?
So I'm making a resolution to hire, and after that resolution, we can make the motion to approve the purchase in the amount of the stated numbers of $295 and $350. And so first, it's the resolution that's on the table.
There's, on the agenda, there's not a resolution to hire, it's just this resolution.
Right, so I just made a resolution to hire, and then we'll make a motion to approve the purchase order to McGowan and Markland.
So we currently reviewed the agenda.
Is there a particular
You can
retainer fee?
make a resolution.
I'm just asking, is there a standard retainer fee?
No.
No.
There's no standard retainer fee.
Okay.
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 Dan, you can make a resolution, right? So I made a resolution.
Could I ask Dan a quick question? Just to make sure we're all good here. It was noticed to discuss and hire an attorney, which is required in a special meeting. And then would not the motion to approve the purchase order be the hiring of said attorneys?
Would that be a regular business?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think you need a separate PO approval resolution.
Right.
I think the authority is in the resolution that the board
We
considers to
just
hire counsel.
So in the resolution I just set forth?
Yes.
Okay.
Just to hire.
Then it would make the motion
That would
for a
replace
purchase
the-
order moot.
Yeah, so
Okay, so the resolution's on the table, it's been seconded.
and the motion is to hire,
The resolution,
is to hire this.
there you go.
Yep, got it. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Okay, can you take the roll?
Yes, sir. Mr. Fischel,
Aye.
Ms. Brewster,
Aye.
Ms. Krasinski,
Nay?
Mrs. Grassi,
Nay.
and Mr. Keeney.
Aye.
Motion carries 3-2.
Okay, number 4, adjourn to executive session. Be it resolved that the Riverside Local School District Board of Education hereby adjourns to executive session at 5:43 p.m. for the purpose of considering the appointment, employment, dismissal, discipline, demotion, and compensation of a public employee official, and conferencing with an attorney for the public body concerning disputes involving the public body that are the subject of imminent court action. The Riverside Local School District Board of Education hereby designates all matters discussed in this executive session as strictly confidential and finds that this designation is warranted because of the status of these matters and the need to preserve confidentiality to properly conduct the business of this Board of Education. Can I get a second?
Second.
Can you take the roll?
Yes, sir. Ms. Brewster,
Aye.
Mrs. Krasinski,
Aye.
Mr. Fischel,
Aye.
Mr. Keeney,
Aye.
Mrs. Grassi.
Nay.
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 Motion carries 4-1.
Okay, we would ask everyone to leave the room except for people at the table and Mr. Markland.